Before you drift off to sleep, imagine sipping a warm, aromatic drink that helps calm your mind, soothes your stomach, and supports your body's natural healing, all while you rest. Tonight, we uncover the secret of clove-infused water, a simple ancient remedy now backed by modern science. From improving sleep to aiding digestion, this tiny spice might be the nighttime ritual your body has been waiting for. Stay tuned. Your best night's rest could begin with a single cup. Number 1. Improves sleep. Struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep? You're not alone, but there's a simple natural aid you can try. Research suggests that clove water may promote deeper, more restful sleep. A 2022 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that drinking clove water before bed improved overall sleep quality. The key lies in compounds like eugenol and beta-caryophyllene, which have mild sedative effects. These compounds help relax the mind, reduce anxiety, and prepare the body for rest. Plus, cloves' rich antioxidants help calm inflammation and oxidative stress, two common disruptors of sleep. A warm cup of clove water before bedtime may be all you need to drift off peacefully and wake up refreshed. Number 2. Improves digestion. Looking for a natural way to ease bloating, indigestion, or stomach discomfort? Clove-infused water might be your answer. Studies show that cloves support digestion by fighting harmful gut bacteria and stimulating digestive enzymes. A 2011 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food revealed that clove extract helps inhibit bacteria linked to diarrhea and foodborne illness, promoting a balanced gut microbiome. Another study in 2013 found that eugenol boosts key digestive enzymes like amylase and lipase, essential for breaking down carbs and fats efficiently. Adding a nightly glass of clove water can gently soothe your gut, reduce bloating, and support smoother digestion. A small habit with big benefits for your digestive health. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Now, imagine a warm, aromatic glass of clove-infused water. More than just a soothing bedtime ritual. Cloves are packed with eugenol, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. A 2012 Journal of Immunotoxicology study revealed that eugenol helps suppress cyclooxygenase, an enzyme that triggers inflammation. This makes clove water an easy, natural way to calm the body and support overall wellness. Why does timing matter? During sleep, your body naturally enters repair mode, and that's when clove water can make a real difference. The eugenol in cloves helps interrupt inflammation, calm stressed tissues, and support the immune system's overnight recovery. The result? You wake up feeling lighter, clearer, and with fewer aches. Clove water at night isn't just an old tradition. It's a small, science-backed step toward better health. Try it tonight, one mindful sip at a time. Your future self will thank you for the comfort it brings. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar. Nature often hides big benefits in small packages, and cloves are a perfect example. When steeped in water and taken before bed, they may help steady blood sugar levels. Their secret lies in antioxidants and phenolic compounds like eugenol, which promote insulin release and improve sensitivity, key factors in blood glucose control. Cloves also contain nigranin, a compound that helps move glucose from the blood into cells for energy use. Interestingly, a 2019 study found that sipping clove water in the evening enhances these effects, as the body's insulin sensitivity is naturally higher at night. This gentle habit can work in sync with your body's rhythm to support balanced blood sugar, naturally and effortlessly. Number 5. Antioxidant-rich. It's amazing how something as simple as clove water can pack such powerful antioxidant protection. Brewed from the aromatic buds in your kitchen, it acts like a quiet superhero within. Clove-infused water is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, eugenol, flavonoids, and gallic acid, all potent antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, protect your cells from oxidative stress, and slow signs of aging. So, every sip you take before bed isn't just soothing. It's fortifying your body from within, one glass at a time. A 2019 article in the Journal of Functional Foods revealed that cloves are packed with compounds that excel at neutralizing harmful free radicals. Impressive, right? Think of free radicals as unwanted guests that trigger chaos, from premature aging to chronic disease. Clove water steps in as your overnight bodyguard, tackling these intruders while you sleep. Here's the fascinating part. Nighttime is when your body switches into repair mode, and that's exactly when antioxidants work their magic. A 2022 study in antioxidants found that antioxidant activity is more effective during rest, when the body can focus on cellular repair without daytime stress. So, each nightly glass of clove water acts like a cleanup crew for your system, restoring, protecting, and renewing from within. It's more than a drink. It's your superhero ocean in a glass. Crescent Moon. Number 6. Improves liver health. Your nightly cup of clove water doesn't just soothe. It supports your liver's natural detox process while you rest. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a compound known for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective, liver-protecting, effects. Think of your liver as the body's hard-working filtration system, constantly removing toxins. Over time, that workload can cause oxidative stress and damage. Clove water steps in to help. Eugenol boosts detoxification pathways and prevents lipid peroxidation, one of the main drivers of liver injury. With less oxidative strain, your liver functions more efficiently through the night. Even more impressive, a 2016 study found that clove extract may promote liver cell regeneration, helping the organ recover and reset. So, when you sip your warm clove water before bed, you're not just relaxing, you're helping your liver detox, restore balance, and begin a gentle renewal from within. Number 7. Supports respiratory health. One simple nightly habit, sipping clove-infused water before bed, can gently support your lungs and breathing. Cloves are packed with eugenol and flavonoids, compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. When you drink this soothing infusion, these actives work along your airway linings to calm irritation, ease inflammation, and make each breath feel smoother and clearer. Research backs this up. A 2021 study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that eugenol can suppress coughing and promote airway relaxation, improving airflow in and out of the lungs. Meanwhile, flavonoids act as a second line of defense, neutralizing free radicals that can harm delicate respiratory tissues, as noted in a 2022 Journal of Dietary Supplement study. It's remarkable how something so simple can bolster your respiratory health. Start tonight with a warm glass of clove water, a small, consistent step toward easier breathing and stronger lungs. Number 8. Improves cardiovascular health. Clove-infused water is also earning recognition for its potential to support heart health. A 2017 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food reported that clove extract has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, two key factors in protecting the heart by reducing oxidative stress and calming chronic inflammation, both major contributors to cardiovascular disease. Even more, research in the 2016 Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine found that clove extract has vasodilatory effects, helping blood vessels relax and widen. This promotes smoother blood flow, reduces pressure on the arteries, and supports healthy circulation. By easing tension in the vascular system and enhancing blood flow, a nightly cup of clove water may gently help prevent hypertension and reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 9. Strengthens dental health. Clove water, long valued for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory power, can be a natural boost for your oral hygiene. Rich in eugenol, a compound still used in modern dental care, it helps fight bacteria, freshen breath, and calm gum irritation. A 2019 study in the Journal of Contemporary Dental Practice found that clove oil strongly inhibits Streptococcus mutans, one of the key bacteria behind tooth decay. Another 2017 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that clove extract's anti-inflammatory effects can reduce gum swelling and prevent gingivitis. Using clove water as a nightly mouth rinse is an easy, chemical-free way to support gum health, prevent decay, and maintain a fresh, clean mouth overnight. A simple nightly habit, and your smile will thank you every morning. Number 10. Supports bone health. Drinking clove-infused water at night can quietly strengthen your bones. A 2018 Journal of Medicinal Food study found that clove extract rich in eugenol and flavonoids boosts bone mineralization and helps prevent bone loss. These compounds activate bone-building cells, osteoblasts, and reduce the activity of bone-breaking cells, osteoclasts, maintaining the balance needed for strong, dense bones. In short, a nightly glass of clove water may help keep your skeletal system resilient and healthy over time. As you unwind in the evening, a warm cup of clove water could give your skeleton a gentle, consistent boost, an effortless way to help preserve bone health over time. Number 11. Natural antibacterial power. Clove water may serve as a quiet defender against harmful microbes. A 2019 Journal of Food Science study showed that clove extract strongly inhibited several bacterial strains, including E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Its main active, eugenol, damages bacterial cell membranes, causing them to leak and die, explaining its broad-spectrum antibacterial effects seen in lab tests. Sipped at night, clove water could offer a subtle layer of defense for your body. Still, more research is needed to confirm its safety, real-world effectiveness, and ideal usage before relying on it as a natural antibacterial remedy. Number 12. Promotes skin health. Clove-infused water brings together antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial benefits that can naturally support clearer, healthier skin. A 2018 Journal of Medicinal Plant Studies paper found that clove extract reduces redness and swelling linked to various skin concerns, thanks to eugenol's inflammation-calming properties. Further, a 2020 study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science reported that clove water provides vitamin C and manganese, key nutrients that promote collagen synthesis, helping maintain skin elasticity, firmness, and a youthful glow. So with each soothing sip, you're not just hydrating, you're nourishing your skin from within, supporting a radiant, natural complexion over time. Number 13. Weight management. Looking to shed a few extra pounds naturally? Clove-infused water might help. A 2021 Journal of Medicinal Food study found that participants who drank clove water before bed for 8 weeks saw improved weight control. Compounds like eugenol may boost metabolism, curb appetite, and reduce cravings, all while supporting calorie efficiency. Its antioxidants also fight oxidative stress and low-grade inflammation, both linked to weight gain. While not a magic fix, adding a warm cup of clove water to your nightly routine can complement healthy eating and exercise for better results. Number 14. Cancer protection. Surprisingly, that same nightly glass may also help your body defend against cancer. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Research published in the Journal of Pharmacognosy and Phytotherapy, 2012, found eugenol helps neutralize free radicals and calm inflammation, two key triggers of cancer cell growth. A 2017 Journal of Food Science study also noted that drinking clove water at night aligns with your body's natural detox phase, helping clear toxins and support cellular repair. Making this simple habit part of your evening can strengthen your body's natural defenses. Just remember to consult your healthcare provider before making changes. Number 15. Improves erectile function. Clove-infused water may naturally support better erectile performance by improving circulation. A 2021 Journal of Food Science and Technology study found that cloves' potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds enhance blood flow, essential for maintaining erections. The key compound, eugenol, boosts nitric oxide production, relaxing blood vessels and promoting stronger, longer-lasting erections. If you've tried clove water, share your experience below, and remember to subscribe for more evidence-based wellness tips from our channel. Thank you.